Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread using pancake mix. First, ensure your bananas are very ripe for the best flavor and sweetness. You'll need about 3 medium-sized ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of your favorite pancake mix, and 1 large egg. Also, have 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil ready. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, thoroughly mash your 3 ripe bananas until they are mostly smooth. Next, crack in your 1 large egg, pour in the 1/4 cup of milk, and add the 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix these wet ingredients well. Finally, gently fold in the 1 1/2 cups of pancake mix until the batter is just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Carefully pour your prepared banana bread batter into a greased 9x5-inch loaf pan. Make sure to spread it evenly. Place the pan into your preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your banana bread is ready. Once baked, remove your banana bread from the oven and let it cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before you move it. Then, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents the bottom from getting soggy. Slice and enjoy your homemade banana bread. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.